Okay, hello all. This is an old rig I used to have. An old FPV rig. You can see, I think they called them a bumblebee in them days. Using a DX6i. This is what we used to fly back in the day, and as you can see, the hobby's pretty intense. A lot of ESCs, spare motors, all them blades. Because we'd crash these things quite a bit. We didn't have all the new technology, but here's an old video that I had of flying this. I think it's pretty awesome that we used to do this back in the day. We'd fly these quads, is what we call them, 4 motors, not drones, because there's nothing autonomous in this at all. Nothing. Everything is done by the stick, it's done by a user, so it's not a drone. We flew this quite a bit. As you can see, a crash is going to come. I hit the gutter. It doesn't matter, we're just going to go pick it up. Most we used to break, we'd break an arm. Spend 30-40 minutes repairing it. Sometimes you burn a motor out. We were running brushless motors, no brush motors. They were fast. FPV, you can get some high speeds, and if you hit something, something's going to break. But it's old technology. These are not ready to fly. We built them. Kits, motors, ESCs, your main board. You sync all your motors up through the computer. Yeah, it was pretty wild back in them days. Now you go to the store, you buy ready to fly, click the button, up it goes. That's for some models, not all. So I'll be reviewing quite a bit of these drones that they say are ready to fly. Anybody can fly them, you know. Your grandma could fly them, I guess, huh? No, I'd beware of any advertisements, but I'll be reviewing low-budget drones. Oh, there she went down again. Well, it's about the end of the movie. I don't have too much to say. I just want to show you what we used to fly back in the day. So I hope you enjoyed the video anyway. And come on back, subscribe, or give me a like, anything. Something's better than nothing. Well, we'll see you all. I hope you come back.